customer, Tyler Hinman, on your website, and they have a problem with their receipt printer on their VX 520, which is a credit card terminal. The ABC Bank bot, our demo virtual assistant in this case, is our conversational AI is generating responses and troubleshooting the issue with Tyler Hinman. And so here, as you ask it questions, the ABC Bank bot will continue to respond to questions until it gets stuck or it hands off to a human. This gets, say I come in here as a user of CXME. I can see the whole conversation, every interaction that has happened with this bot between the bot and the customer. But maybe I'm in a rush and I don't want to read through, I don't want to take 10 minutes and read through all the different chats that happened between the customer. I just want to get a quick summary of what happened so I can make sure that everything looks good. I'll go ahead and click actions and create summary. And what this does is it takes all the conversations that the customer and the bot had, so it can separate what the customer said versus what the virtual assistant and what the AI said. It takes the context of the customer, who they are, their historical cases, and it will share with you a summarized update of what exactly happened during this interaction. So here we can see the customer contacted the company to report a problem with their VX 520 receipt printer. After replacing the receipt printer, all the receipts were printing blank. The agent asked the customer to check if the paper roll was correctly inserted and not jammed. The customer mentioned that they had reversed the paper and printed a test receipt, which resolved the issue. The agent emphasized the importance of proper paper orientation for successful printing. Another agent also confirmed that the paper should feed from the bottom of the roll. The customer discovered that they had loaded the paper incorrectly, resulting in the blank receipts. So as you can see here in the summary, it was a pretty short and sweet interaction between the customer and the AI, but the summary can differentiate between what the customer said and what the agent said and summarize the actions that happened between both. You'll see there are no resolution notes as part of this summary. This case is still open. So if this were to be a resolved case, it would then tell you not only what the issue was and what happened and was it resolved, but if there was no further actions, it would highlight that the case has been resolved and there's nothing else to do. So you can see here how this summary can save teams a lot of time from having to read through chat transcripts and conversational AI, but still get up to speed with exactly what happened, what the problem was, what the troubleshooting steps were, and what the ultimate resolution was of any interaction with a customer. And this can be applied across chat. And as we've seen, or as we will see, can also be applied for longer, more complex email threads that might span multiple days, weeks, or even months across multiple teams or even organizations. So that's a bit about our summarization on our case interactions.